Tired of cars that fall apart after just a few years? You're not alone. In a market flooded with short-term thrills, today we're spotlighting 7 cars from 2025 to 26 that are designed to last a lifetime, not just until your next oil change. Whether you're after tech, luxury, fuel efficiency, or just want a car that won't quit on you in 3 years, these picks are trusted by experts and drivers alike. Let's jump into the first 4. And make sure to stick around for some Consumer Reports insights and the final 3 beasts you won't want to miss. Toyota Camry Hybrid. The 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid continues its reign as the go-to sedan for those who value reliability, economy, and long-term ownership. It has built a reputation over decades as the car you can hand down to your kids and still see it running flawlessly. Under the hood, it features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine paired with an electric motor, offering a smooth 225 horsepower and over 52 mpg combined. It's quiet, responsive, and practically begs you to skip the gas station. Toyota gave the Camry Hybrid a sharper, more aggressive facelift in 2025. The front fascia now sports a sleeker grille and LED headlamps, giving it a more premium, athletic look without shouting for attention. Inside, you're welcomed by a clean, intuitive interior with an available 12.3 touchscreen, upgraded seat materials, and generous legroom. It's not flashy, it's smart, functional, and built with quality you can feel in every panel. It blends industry-leading reliability with fuel efficiency and comfort. The Camry Hybrid isn't just a good car, it's a smart long-term decision. But if you want lasting power with a bold stance and muscle under the hood, our next pick from Germany raises the bar. BMW X6. The BMW X6 remains one of the boldest luxury SUVs on the road, and the 2025 model continues to push the envelope. Known for its coupe-like shape and performance-oriented soul, the X6 is for drivers who demand both durability and dominance. Performance-wise, the base model uses a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that produces 375 horsepower, while the M60i bumps it up to a roaring 523 HP. Even with its size, it feels nimble and incredibly composed on twisty roads. Visually, the 2025 X6 gets a refreshed front grille, more angular LED headlights, and new wheel designs that make its presence known. That fastback roofline? Still stunning, still unmistakably BMW. Inside, you're surrounded by ultra-premium materials like merino leather, a massive curved digital display, customizable ambient lighting, and the latest iDrive infotainment system. It feels less like an SUV and more like a luxury spaceship. The X6 combines long-term engineering with top-tier luxury and performance. It's as solid in 2025 as it will be in 2035. If you prefer elegance with a whisper, quiet hybrid drive and supreme ride comfort, the next pick offers luxury that lasts. Lexus ES300H. The Lexus ES300H is one of the quietest, smoothest, and most reliable mid-size sedans money can buy. The hybrid variant offers even greater longevity while saving you a fortune on fuel and repairs over time. It's powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine that delivers 215 HP and 44+ mpg, making it the ideal commuter for those who want zero drama and all comfort. It floats over bumps and road noise barely registers. On the outside, the ES has a sculpted, understated elegance. The signature spindle grille, sleek LED headlights, and refined side contours give it a luxury look that doesn't scream for attention, it just gets admired. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cocoon of calm. The cabin features soft-touch materials, high-grade leather, real wood accents, and a user-friendly infotainment setup. It's not flashy, it's timeless. The ES300 is the kind of car you buy once and never worry about again. It's a luxury hybrid that's built to go the distance. Now, if you've been thinking of going electric but are worried about long-term durability, our next pick proves an EV can be built to last. Tesla Model 3. The 2025 Tesla Model 3, codenamed Highland, brings meaningful upgrades to one of the world's most popular electric cars. But what truly sets it apart isn't just its speed or tech, It's how well it holds up after years of driving. The dual-motor AWD version delivers 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds and offers up to 341 miles of range. Plus, Tesla's over-the-air updates improve performance and features long after you've bought it, meaning your car literally gets better with time. Tesla sharpened the design with new headlights, a sleeker front bumper, and aero improvements for better efficiency. It's clean, futuristic, and built with fewer moving parts, which means fewer things to break. Inside, the updated cabin features a quieter ride thanks to new acoustic glass, softer materials, and an ambient lighting system that wraps around you. The 15.4 central screen remains the heart of the experience, still fast, still intuitive. It's the only car that keeps evolving long after you drive it off the lot. Fewer mechanical issues and constant software upgrades make this an EV for the long haul. Audi A6. When you think of a car that blends technology, design, and long-term quality, the 2025 Audi A6 quickly enters the conversation. This executive sedan is not just built to impress, it's built to last. Whether you're driving to work or cruising the highway, the A6 offers a confident, luxurious experience every time. Performance-wise, the A6 gives you two great options. The 2.0 liters turbocharged four-cylinder engine is responsive and efficient, while the 3.0 liters V6 with mild hybrid tech provides 335 horsepower for those who want more kick. With Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, the A6 handles with precision and grace, even on rainy or snowy roads. The exterior speaks volumes without screaming. Sleek, understated lines, Audi's single-frame grille, and signature matrix design LED headlights create a modern, elegant look. It's a sedan that turns heads with quiet confidence. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels tailored to the driver. Twin digital screens, high-end leather, real wood or aluminum accents, and a whisper-quiet ride make the A6 a serene place to spend time. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, making it perfect for professionals and families alike. The A6 combines luxury with lasting reliability, something not every premium car gets right. With excellent build quality and tech that feels cutting-edge but never overwhelming, it's a long-term investment in comfort and class. But if you're looking for legendary dependability and the kind of car that almost never lets you down, the next one is a generational icon. Honda Accord. The 2025 Honda Accord might just be the most no-regrets car you can buy. With an all-new design and a reputation that spans decades, the Accord continues to win the hearts of drivers who want style, space, safety, and rock-solid reliability. Performance is smart and efficient. The Accord offers two main engine setups: a 1.5 liters turbocharged four-cylinder that provides punchy everyday power and a hybrid version that returns up to 48 mpg. It's not trying to be a race car. It's about seamless, stress-free driving for years to come. Outside, Honda has modernized the Accord beautifully. With a fastback-style silhouette, sharp LED lighting, a wide grille, and strong body lines, it now looks more premium than ever, easily competing with entry-level luxury sedans in style. The interior is equally impressive. With soft touch materials, a class-leading 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and a clear, uncluttered layout, it's functional yet refined. Rear seat legroom is abundant, and cabin insulation keeps road noise down, making it great for family trips and solo drives alike. Honda's formula with the Accord hasn't changed. Build it right, make it last, and keep drivers happy. And in 2025, they've done it better than ever. Want all of this, but with a twist of luxury, tech, and warranty coverage that beats everyone else? You're going to love what Hyundai brings next. Hyundai Sonata. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata is no longer the underdog. It's transformed into one of the most forward-looking mid-size sedans available, and it's backed by one of the best warranties in the industry. Whether you're looking for value, style, or long-term dependability, the Sonata brings it all. In terms of performance, Hyundai offers multiple options: a fuel-efficient 2.5 liters naturally aspirated engine a punchy 1.6 liters turbo, and a hybrid setup for up to 50 mpg. While it's not a sports car, the Sonata delivers quiet confidence with every mile and excels in daily comfort and low-cost maintenance. The exterior has been redesigned with bold flair. The front end features an aggressive LED light bar, a striking grille, and sporty lines that echo coupe-like design. It's the kind of car that turns heads not because of a badge, but because it genuinely looks futuristic. Inside, the Sonata offers a surprisingly upscale experience. A new curved dual-screen layout brings a luxury vibe, while soft touch materials, a wide center console, ambient lighting, and available ventilated seats make it feel more like a European premium car. And with Hyundai's 10-year/100,000-mile warranty, the confidence you get is unmatched. It's beautiful, efficient, packed with smart tech, and comes with a peace-of-mind warranty. The Sonata has grown into something far more than a budget sedan. It's now a real contender for long-term ownership. According to Consumer Reports, each of these models ranks highly in reliability, owner satisfaction, and safety. Cars like the Toyota Camry Hybrid, Honda Accord, and Lexus ES consistently earn top marks for long-term ownership. Even luxury entries like the Audi A6 and BMW X6 score high for road test performance and build quality. Consumer Reports places extra weight on real-world data, so these aren't just good on paper. They've proven themselves over thousands of miles, across thousands of owners. If you're looking for peace of mind in your next car, these 7 picks deliver performance, style, and, most importantly, reliability that lasts. You don't need to roll the dice with unproven models. Instead, go with cars that are built to last beyond the next decade. So, which one would you trust with your future? Comment below your favorite pick, or the one you'd never drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the smartest car buys coming in 2025 and beyond.